want to talk today about different stages of contracts, because there are various stages that not everyone takes into consideration. And I try to explain this to my clients quite often, because there's this stage of negotiating terms where we agree that you're going to offer this and I'm going to pay this and vice versa, and we agree to the terms. That's kind of stage one. Then it's got to get put into a contract, and normally that's when you call an attorney and you say, help me put this into a contract, we agree to this. And at that point, then there's negotiating of contract terms. So there's always terms that we're putting into contracts that maybe the other side doesn't want. When we draft a contract for you, it's favorable to you. That's kind of how it works, unless there's some sort of agreement between the parties that we're being a neutral in the situation. But majority, we draft the contract in your favor, and the other side then tries to negotiate certain things and change certain things. Maybe you guys are in different states and the jurisdiction you agree to, if there's a dispute, is different. You guys don't agree to the jurisdiction if there's a dispute in the contract, or maybe there's something else in there that they don't like that we do. So contract negotiation is a separate part. It's not the terms of the contract so much, it's the language in the contract. And so some of those things take time. This can happen in various different forms of contracts. That's why we say read a contract very carefully before you sign it, because you want to make sure that you understand the terms. And if you don't, hire an attorney that can help you understand those terms and make sure that you're being protected when you're signing that contract. So think about those stages, that there are various stages. Just because you agreed to the terms doesn't mean that the contract and those negotiations are not done. It may take a little more time. It doesn't mean that you're not going to move forward with it. It just means that you have to do a little bit more negotiating and make sure that you are feeling protected in the contract and they are feeling protected, and that is a mutual agreement between you guys. So think about the different stages. Think about that when you're doing contracts, thinking about reading your contracts very carefully, and don't just sign it. If you don't understand it, come talk to us. So give us a call, 916-226-4470, and we can help you with all of your contract needs. Thank you so much and have a great day.